Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to prevent anyone from mentioning you on Instagram when you're using a PC, especially with the latest update. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by unwanted tags or mentions, this quick guide will help you take control of your Instagram experience. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find several icons. Click on the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal dots or lines. This will open up additional options for you. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Instagram lets you customize your account preferences and privacy settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Tags and Mentions. This is the key area where you can manage who can tag or mention you in posts and comments. Now, under the Who Can Mention You option, you'll see a few choices. To stop anyone from mentioning you, simply select Don't Allow Mentions. This means no one will be able to tag your username in their posts, comments, or stories, giving you complete peace of mind. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled mentions on your Instagram account when using a PC. This feature is especially useful if you want to avoid spammy tags or just keep your profile more private and clutter-free. Remember, you can always go back and change this setting if you want to allow mentions again in the future. Instagram's updates keep adding new ways to protect your privacy, so it's a good idea to check your settings regularly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more controlled Instagram experience.